Does the US government exactly know the secrets of drone-like objects in the US night sky? The answer is neither Iran nor China. Hello everyone, this is KAHEVA, all knowledge of the world, head, heart, and soul. Why does KAHEVA always say head, heart, and soul at the beginning of the video? The reason is that KAHEVA and KAHEVA teams are enlightened people. Puppies and cows, etc. Animals consist of head and heart, but humans consist of head, heart, and soul. Animals also feel sadness and loneliness, so a human being shouldn't abuse an animal. In the past, Confucian country Joseon, Korea, butchers did not eat meat because by profession they had to kill the animal painlessly. It's because they tried to maintain human dignity by not eating meat. When an animal dies, everything ends. Animals don't have eternal life. Every animal should be happy during its life. A human being who denies the world of the soul should also be happy, at least during its animal-like life. The US is quite noisy because of the thousands of UFOs or drones appearing in the night sky in New Jersey, etc. Is it a drone sent by Iran, China? Is it a drone sent by Russia? Is it made by the US government? And does the US government exactly know the secrets of drone-like objects in the US night sky? KAHEVA laughs. The answer is neither Iran nor China nor Russia. That doesn't mean the US government made it. Basically, the US government stays out of this mysterious object. The US government has a policy to not attack these drones because they can't be shut down or captured. In the East, including Korea, there are thousands of years of records. It is a fireball flying in the sky. Korea's ancestors called this fireball spirit fire. This fireball flew from mountain to mountain before a death of a person or a struck of disaster. The CCTVs continuously monitor people to protect them in the same manner. In order to protect humans who are living with freedom of choice, God is monitoring them in various super scientific ways. God, who gave each human being the liberty of choice, does not intervene in human behavior as much as possible, but He intervenes in the lives of the special people chosen by Him. The owners of wise head, heart, and soul are aware of all this. On the morning of February 15th, 2013, loud sounds and bright light woke people up in the Chelyabinsk region of Russia. A meteorite exploded in the air, releasing 100 to 500 tons of TNT energy. The explosion damaged buildings and caused debris to spill all over the city and surrounding areas, injuring hundreds of people. 1,200 people were injured. However, no one died. The Chelyabinsk meteorite was not naturally destroyed. God's stick, faster than the meteorite, chased the meteorite and exploded it. This is the picture of the meteorite. In this scene, God's stick flies faster than the meteorite and breaks down the meteorite. Even during the time of depraved cities Sodom and Gomorrah, there were many fireballs flying in the sky. The world of God is the world of fire. There's a fire that saves. There's also a fire that extinguishes. There's a fire of curse and a fire of blessing. Protestants are said to receive fireballs as the final stage of faith. Children do not fully understand their parents. They just trust their parents. Man does not fully understand the world of God. Just because a man does not understand the world of God doesn't mean that God does not exist. In addition to head and heart, I hope the KAHEVA teams become the owners of soul. So I hope you become an everlasting existence. Humans didn't choose to be born. All human beings are forcibly born by their parents. Born humans must choose their own eternal life. Otherwise, they will eventually die and disappear. In the future, strange things will happen in the sky more and more often. It's no surprise. This is KAHEVA. See you in the next video. God bless you.